Why does your scanner show the P06A8 engine code? What does it mean? P06A8 is a diagnostic trouble code for sensor reference voltage, C circuit range, or performance. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a problem with the voltage supplied to one or more sensors, or that a sensor is not performing within expected parameters. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: sensor failure, wiring issues, PCM failure, blown fuses or fusible links, relay issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Ford F-150 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.